Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our latest analysis for this Friday until Monday, January 28 to 31, 2022, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat today, Friday until tomorrow, Saturday. The low pressure area 91W, which traversed Mindanao, the southern portion of Sulu Archipelago, and southern Palawan, is now over the West Philippine Sea outside of PAR. And it's already starting to weaken, becoming slowly into a shallow low pressure area, but still at low chance of becoming a tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours. Yesterday it has been upgraded to medium chance, but due to diminishing circulation or cloudiness within the organization of this system, has been downgraded into low chance of becoming a tropical cyclone. It has been moving slightly more to the north in response to a shear line and a possible development of another frontal system here. So the track of 91W will start to move more to the north, and it will recurve northeast and will be absorbed into the passing formation of a frontal system here, which is still a shear line as of this time. So up to the north of 91W, the area of the Scarborough Panatag Shoal will have heavy rainfall due to the thick cloudiness of its trough to the north, and the enhanced northeast monsoon is still affecting southern China as well as Taiwan, and is now affecting Batanes group of islands and is expected to reach across the Babuyan Islands within the next 24 hours. And the shear line will still bring some cloudy conditions with isolated to scattered rain showers across extreme northern Luzon. Elsewhere across the Philippine Islands, improving weather is now on the way. It started yesterday, but the rest of the country has been enjoying some good weather right now, except for some isolated rain showers in some portions of Palawan, Mindoro, and Panay Island. And there will be an approaching rain clouds over eastern Visayas and northern Caraga because of the warm easterlies, which is generating some local thunderstorms, which could bring some wet weather across this area through the next 24 hours, while the Bicol region and portions of eastern Luzon will enjoy good weather. But we expect another group of clouds will bring rains over eastern Luzon and Bicol late Sunday to Monday because of the possible development of a frontal system here, which in return it will generate another shear line across eastern Luzon, including the Bicol region, come late Sunday to Monday. So there you go. That's the latest for today until tomorrow. And if we take a look at the fast animation, there you go. This is now the remnants of LPA 91W being absorbed into the shear line, and it's likely to become a part of a new frontal system currently developing near Taiwan, and it is expected to accelerate towards the northeast, while the cloudiness generated by the easterlies will bring rains and thunderstorms across eastern Visayas and northern Caraga. And if we take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation, there you go. These are localized thunderstorms embedded within the shear line and the dissipating LPA, which is starting to move more to the north and northeast. And here's the shear line affecting the Batanes, Babuyan Group of Islands, and also the northern sections of northern Luzon, including and also extreme northern Luzon. That includes northern Cagayan, Ilocos provinces, and Kalinga, Apayao area. So expect rains over those areas through the evening, while here's the cloudiness, which generates some thunderstorms brought about by the easterlies affecting eastern Visayas and northern Caraga. While localized thunderstorms can be seen here across the Zamboanga Peninsula and Lanao provinces. Now here's the rain forecast from the European model for the next 3 days. This is until Monday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So this is now the LPA 91W, and the shear line is right here. By tomorrow afternoon, the LPA will start to be absorbed into the shear line and the developing frontal system northeast of Batanes. So because of the passage of this developing frontal system and the shear line, we could expect some converging cloudiness here, which will generate some thunderstorms across northern and portions of central Luzon. While Bicol region will also have chances of some thunderstorms, Mindoro as well, Visayas will also be expecting this kind of some isolated rain showers. And on Sunday morning, the shear line until Sunday afternoon will bring lots of rains and thunderstorms across northern and central Luzon, including Metro Manila, through Sunday afternoon. And while over the Bicol region still good, but late Sunday evening, the shear line will move more to the south, and it could be affecting Polillo Island, but still not affecting Bicol. But on Monday, we could expect some showers and thunderstorms to affect the Bicol region because of the shear line, which is expected to go down from northern Luzon to Bicol beginning tomorrow until Monday. And there could be some northeast monsoon across Luzon, including the Bicol region, beginning Sunday through Monday. Okay, so that's the latest on the rain forecast. Here's the rainfall accumulation based on the 3-day rain. So the accumulated rain will be affecting extreme northern Luzon, including Batanes, Babuing Cove Islands, because of the shear line and the developing frontal system, and the possible return of another surge of the Amihan or northeast monsoon beginning Sunday through Monday. Bicol region will also have some isolated showers as well as some localized thunderstorms across Mindanao. So far, that is the forecast. So here in Bicol region, we expect some rainfall situation beginning late Sunday until Monday. And before we leave you, here's the wind and pressure forecast from the European model, valid for the next 3 days until Monday. By tomorrow afternoon, the LPA is no longer there. It's been absorbed into a developing frontal system and together with the shear line. And it will be passing over extreme northern Luzon across the Batanes, Babuing Cove Islands on Sunday afternoon, 48 hours from now. The LPA, the frontal system has accelerated more to the northeast, and the possible shear line will be affecting the northern and central sections of Luzon. And on Monday morning, the shear line will move more to the south, and it will be affecting the Bicol region, while we have here another surge of the northeast monsoon across various portions of Luzon. And on Monday afternoon, the Bicol region will also be affected by the northeast monsoon. It's only a slight northeast monsoon. It will become more intense and moderate to intense across northern Luzon, including Batanes, Babuing Cove Islands. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Friday evening, and we will return on Monday to give you more updates on the weather situation across the Philippine Islands and the Western Pacific. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Pado reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Happy weekend to all. Be healthy and strong. And thank you so much for watching our channel.